Hey guys, Mike Builds, welcome back. In a previous video, we took a look at this cheap Dumfume 300 amp hour 12 volt lithium iron phosphate battery. The battery did really good from people saying they've been using these for a little while now and they're getting them for really good deals, and a lot of people are very happy with them. But I had somebody reach out to me and they want me to basically get as much detail about the BMS as I can get. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this thing back up on camera and we're gonna take a really close look at the BMS and just kind of give that thing a really good once over, just so we can show as much detail about it as possible. So that's it, we're gonna open this thing back up. All right, here we go. All right, so here's a really good look at the BMS. I'm gonna try to go over it real slow. There is a model number right here. You might be able to Google to see what that is. Balance connection. And then the underside of the BMS where the heat sink's at. I think that's really it. There's really not much more I can show, so hopefully this helps you out and get more detail about this BMS. We're gonna go ahead and slap this thing back together. That's gonna do it for this short video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you wanna look at the full review of this battery, I will put it at the end of this video so you guys can go check that out. Thank you all so much for watching.